Behind every successful doctor is a biomedical engineer. Across the world, healthcare has been re-engineered. As medicine becomes more intelligent, connected, and personalized, biomedical engineering is today one of the fastest-growing interdisciplinary engineering streams in the world. Where engineering meets biology, technology meets medicine, and innovation transforms lives. AI-powered diagnostics, robotics, wearable technologies, and precision healthcare, biomedical engineers are creating solutions that improve lives across hospitals, homes, and communities. VIT is the leading choice for biomedical engineering in Mumbai. Students can choose program electives in artificial intelligence and machine learning, Internet of Things, and biomedical technology and innovation, along with honors and minor programs. Through advanced laboratories, innovation-led learning, higher education collaborations, and career-focused training, students are prepared for real-world healthcare challenges. Since 2022, VIT Mumbai has partnered with Capgemini to provide internship and placement opportunities for students, choosing specific industry-designed electives. Our students and faculty interact with healthcare specialists to provide innovative technology solutions. Students are trained to handle technology behind medical devices, regulations, and standards, preparing them for industry assessments. Our students continue to secure placements with leading companies, while many pursue higher studies and research at globally renowned universities. The future of healthcare won't just be practiced, it will be engineered. Begin your journey at Vidyalankar Institute of Technology.
Healthcare is changing fast, and biomedical engineers are leading that change. From AI and medical diagnostics to robotics and wearable technology, biomedical engineering has shaped the future of healthcare. Since 2010, VIT Mumbai has had 16 successful graduate batches. In our NBA accredited biomedical engineering program, student learns through advanced labs and real-world projects. Here, students experience their ideas come to life through internships, hackathons, patents, research, and startups. If you want to build a technology that shapes the future of healthcare, your journey starts here at VIT Mumbai.